Hello, Ray. Good morning. I hope you had a restful night and that you are ready to begin working on IEP goals 3 and 4. So for goal number 3, Ray, we are going to continue talking about solving problems with bar graphs and line graphs. So here is an anchor chart telling us the difference between the bar graph and the line graph. So the bar graph its purpose is to compare data, for example, categories or surveys. And then our line graph is to show continuous data and trends. So, for example, height, growth, or time. And in the bar graphs, we always have a title. And we always have our y-axis and our x-axis. And we also have labels that tell us what we are looking for in our y-axis and what we are looking for in our x-axis. So here, for example, our y-axis is telling us the number of people, while our x is telling us the type of fruits. So for today, we're going to be working on this worksheet. It is called Go Runners Practice Reading a Bar Graph. So if you have this worksheet, if you can please get it out. If you do not, it is okay. You can write the answers in a sheet of paper. Okay, Ray, so don't forget to write your name on the top and the date. Today's date is December 11, 2020. And here it says, read the record of each runner, then answer the questions below, show your work. So if we look at the bar graph, here they're telling, in our y-axis, they're telling us the runners. So runner A, B, C, D, and E. And in the bottom, they're showing us the distance in miles. So here are the distance, and they're measuring in miles. So question number 1 is asking what unit of measurement is used to determine how long each runner ran. So here it's already highlighted, but I'm going to highlight it if you want to highlight it or underline it. But this is what the question is asking us for. Unit of measurement. So where would we be able to find the unit of measurement? So if we look at the bar graph, right, here they're showing us the runners, the different types of runners, and then here they're telling us the distance in miles. So what is the unit of measurement? So what kind of measurement are they using here? Yes, good job, miles. So here we're going to put the unit of measurement is miles. Good job, Ray. So now you will be answering the next 4 on your own using this bar graph right here, Ray. All the answers are given to you here in the bar graph. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. I am always here to help. When you are done with this worksheet, we will continue working on goal number 4. So for goal number 4, Ray, we're going to solve problems using addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division with coins. So all types of coins. And here are the types of coins we will be using. Pennies, nickels, dimes, or quarters. Here they're giving us the name of each coin and what they are worth. So the worksheet we're going to be working on today is called Math with Money, and the question begins with David buys a cookie. So take out this worksheet. So don't forget to write your name and the date, Ray. And also, please get out a calculator because we will be needing it in order to solve all these questions. Question number 1 says, David buys a cookie for 22 cents. What is his change from $5? So if he buys a cookie and he wants to know what is the change, what are we going to use? Are we going to be adding? Are we going to be subtracting? Are we going to be multiplying or dividing? Yes, good job. We're going to be subtracting. And what are we going to subtract? Let's think about the equation we are going to be using. So he has $5, right? So let's start with that. $5. And we said we were going to subtract. And how much are we going to subtract? Yes, the 22 cents because that's what he wasted on the cookie. So to put 22 cents, we're going to put 0.22 equals. So now we're going to get the calculator and put 5 minus 0.22 cents equals $4.78. So that is what we're going to write here. $4.78. So what was his change rate? Good job. $4.78. Awesome job, Ray. That is what you will be doing for the rest of the questions. You are going to be looking for the change. If you have any questions with any of the worksheets or any problem at all, Ray, please feel free to reach out to me or Mr. Salinas. We are always here to help. If you do not have any trouble, once you are done, don't forget to submit it into Teams. And I hope you have a good rest of your day and that you have a very fun and restful weekend. We will see you here back on Monday. Bye, Ray.